Hey guys, so today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a real versus fake using the Nubian by Juvias, the original Nubian, their first palette. So here is the fake and here is the real. As you can see, they are basically the same color. This one doesn't have the box because I got rid of the box, but we do still have the box for the genuine palette. And on the back of the original box, it has a bunch of writing. You can pause to read it if you want to, but we're not going to go through all of that right now. Inside we have the palette itself, and as you can see, they are pretty much the same, except even in the monitor you can see that this one, the artwork is so much more clear, the writing is so much more clear, and the fake one, which is on this side here, even though it looks like pretty much the same, you can see that it's not as clear, as precise, as bold. They are the exact same size and they feel like the exact same weight as well. It will be so hard to see which one is real and which one is fake because they've done such a good job with making the fake. I mean, the only thing that's giving it away is the fact that the artwork is just so bold and beautiful on this palette. So here are the shades. They look so similar to one another. I don't think that I can see any real discrepancies here. Like literally, they look the exact same. That is so scary. But I was saying this in the haul video. From my memory, they look the exact same. And now that I have them in front of me and I'm looking at them, I'm right. They look pretty much the exact same. That is so scary. They smell different to one another. They both smell just like makeup, but they don't smell the exact same as one another. Okay, so we're gonna do a few swatches. I'm not gonna swatch every single shade, but I'm going to swatch probably about 5 or 6 shades to see, like, I'm gobsmacked. Just by the look of it, I'm just gobsmacked. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna do a few swatches. We're gonna see what they're saying and we'll go from there. Okay, so using the genuine one as the example, we're going to be going for this shade up here first. Oh, that's gorgeous. And here is the real. That's really nice. And here is the fake. Straight away you can see a difference. Like, that fake one is just so chalky. They really tried to get that same kind of color payoff. Like, this one has kind of like a pinky undertone, a pink kind of reflect, and so does this one, but it's just not as popping as the original. Then we're gonna go in with this shade here. Here is the real. That is a really nice tan color. I think that's a nice transition shade, to be fair, for my skin tone anyway. It's a little bit too dark to set the eyelid. Here's the fake. It's like a tiny bit lighter. Yeah, it's a tiny little bit lighter. And then we're gonna go into this shade here. I just love the way that this sparkles. And here it is. This one is a bit on the, like, there's a lot of fallout. This is such a beautiful, it's like a brownie pinky shimmer. That is just gorgeous. And here's the fake. It's just not as pigmented, it's not as reflective, and the shade is like, this one is a lot more pink than this is. Then we're gonna go in with this dark shade here. That was a little bit on the chalky kind of side, if I'm honest with you. Fake to it. Wow, that was disappointing. Then we have this dark, it's almost a black, but it's not a black. Oh, this shade is really soft. It's really, really soft. And the fake. Similar, but again, it's just so patchy, so yeah, it's just so patchy. And then the last one we're gonna go for is going to be this gold. That is a lovely gold. That is beautiful. That's the kind of gold like anyone and everyone can use, whether you're light, dark, whatever, you can use that gold somehow in some capacity. And here is the fake. Very similar, very similar. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 swatches from the Nubian palette, real versus fake, and they go real, fake, real, fake, real, fake, like that. And there are some shades which are similar, as you can see, but the real just always is a hell of a lot better than the fakes. I would just always advise, be careful when you're buying on websites like AliExpress, DHgate, eBay, especially on eBay, because they pretend to make items which they are passing off as genuine items and they're not, and we don't know what's inside these palettes. And obviously I'm showing these to you for educational purposes so that you can tell the differences between a real and a fake. So if you ever get a fake, you know it's a fake. Does that make sense? Good, I'm glad it does. That took me ages to get out. Obviously if you want to go ahead and buy fakes, that's completely up to yourself. Use your own, like, make your own informed decision. It's completely up to yourself, but I would always advise that go and support the original creator of this makeup, because we know what's inside it. We can vouch for what is inside it. We can't really vouch for what's inside fake makeup. That's just my opinion, and I'll always keep on saying the exact same thing. Anyway, so soon I will be doing my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe so you can take part in that giveaway. I will be showing everyone what I will be giving away once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you share this video, like this video, put me on notification so you can just be prepared for that video to go up. Anyways, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.